This is Don from Life's Journeys, and I'm in Dubai, and just checked into the Fairmont Dubai, and let's take a quick look down the halls here. We're in a, I can't remember the suite category, I'll add it to the comments, but it is 1603, and it is a bit of a suite, so let's take a walk in, we'll take a look around. We got a little dining table, and it was a birthday trip for the princess, so they left us a little bit of cake and a birthday treat. And just off to the side, we've got a coffee station with an espresso. They've got espresso, lungo, and decaf, and a bunch of tea selections as well, and some waters. Okay, and off to the side is a little powder room. Nice mirror. Good toilet, bidet, another mirror, and shelf area. You can come back in and we'll check out the living area of the suite. Nice sized television. And some shelves and drawers. The console underneath, a chair and sofa, along with a coffee table. Let's check out the view. Looking out to the sea in the distance. Looks like the shipping area. North, if you can see it, there's a plane taking off, so we're not too far from the airport. I think it's about a 10-minute drive or 15-minute drive to the airport, and the Dubai frame is right there. This is right on Sheikh Zayed Road, so right on the main north-south thoroughfare of the city. Let's come around and head into the bedroom. And again, they've done it up very nicely for the princess's birthday. Made it almost like a wedding cake, but rose petals, rose on top, which is really pretty. King size bed. Another desk with several drawers and television. The bedroom has about the same view as the living room had. You can see right across from the World Trade Center. So handy if you're ever in town for convention. So let's see, we've got in the closets, a slider here, lots of wood hangers, ironing board, a couple pair of slippers. And on the other side, I have looks like a prayer mat. Safe is in here. Stuff for shoe shine, and the hair dryer, and just another empty drawer. So I'll close up the closet, and let's head into the main bedroom, or bathroom rather. Shower with handheld. Behind the door we have two bathrobes, sort of a waffly cotton. It feels nice. So unfortunately only single sink in the main bathroom. There's a makeup mirror. What are the amenities are by Rose 31. And then separate bathtub with a mirror in behind. Lots of mirrors in this place. Nice towels. And toilet. Bidet. Another telephone. Volume switch, so there must be a way to get the television sound into the bathroom. So that's That's a suite at the Fairmont Dubai. I'll take you back out here to take a look, and I will sign off there. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the suite. If you did, I invite you to give this a thumbs up, and please give the channel a subscription if you haven't already done so. I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be advised of all future videos. So thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, and may all your life journeys be everything you dreamed of.